Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see how to change item or items in a list. We can change items based on their index in a list because the items in a list are ordered. So let's see example. We use a fruit list. This fruit list. We just change the apple into cherry. So the apple is the first item. Its index is 0. So we can use fruit list 0 equal cherry. Okay. Let's write it in our Python idle. We established a new file. Just paste it, the code inside it. Let's run the module. We save into the Python study in D for my case. So we give a name like list item change or replace. You see, we got this result. The output is cherry, the first element, then banana. It is exactly what we want. Let's see how about change multiple items. The first case is we just want to replace apple with cherry and watermelon, 2 items. We can do this way, 0 to 1. The end index, the 1, is not excluded. In fact, here means 0 to 1. That means just the 0. You can do this way. So here it means we use this to change apple. Of course, you can just use 0. Also, you can use just 0. For example, we can try these 2. This one, we just change this one in this way. Let's write. You see, in this way, in fact, we got cherry, watermelon, a list. Use a list, replace the apple. That means. So if we use this one, 0 to 1, let's write it. You can see the difference. Here's just a list. We use a list to replace the first item. But if we use this way, it is just use these 2 items instead of the first item. You see the difference. How about we change the first one, the second one, with cherry and watermelon, these 2 items. We can do in this way. Fruit list 0 to. That means the end index is not included. So it means the first element and the second element. 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So we can do this way. we just change to 1 to 2. That means include the index 0 and 1. Let's run. You see, this is exactly what we want. Cherry, watermelon, then the orange melon grape. Okay. Let's see in the next lecture about how to change the items in tuple. If you are ready, just go ahead to the lecture. See you then.